Hello, farmer friends. Welcome to our organization, Agrijivan Farming. In today's video, we are going to discuss in detail a very important and basic thing of pig farming business, and that is how to make a correct estimation of initial cost and proper planning of profit before starting pig farming. Farmer friends, today many farmers, after seeing pig rearing, think that if they just buy some pigs and start rearing them, then money will start coming automatically. But when they enter into this work without planning, they face losses within a few months. In this video, we'll explain how much land and construction costs can be for pig farming, what precautions should be taken when purchasing pigs, how to calculate feed, water, and medicine costs, how to accurately estimate labor and daily operating costs, and most importantly, how long it takes to recover your investment, i.e., how to understand the break-even point. This information is very important for those farmers who are going to start pig farming for the first time, and also for those who are already raising pigs but are not able to make profits. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of why unplanned steps in pig farming are harmful and how proper calculations can make you safe and successful. In this video, you will get the solution to all these problems. You just watch this video till the end. In this video, mainly 4 topics will be discussed. In the first topic, we will give you information on how to determine the initial cost of land and farm construction. In the second topic, we will give you information on how to accurately estimate the cost of purchasing pigs, their feed, water, and medicine. In the third topic, we will give you information on how to plan labor and daily operating expenses. In the fourth topic, we will give you information on how to estimate profit and calculate break-even point. Before we discuss this video further, it is our humble request to all our farmer friends that if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, Agrijivan Farming, then please do so, because we keep uploading new information related to pig farming on this channel. So now, let us talk about the first topic of this video, and that is how to determine the initial cost of land and farm construction. The first and biggest cost in pig farming is land and farm construction. Farmer friends, the land for pig rearing should be selected very carefully. The land should be such that it does not allow water to accumulate, has a slight slope so that the dirty water can drain out easily, and the surrounding environment should be calm. If you have your own land, your costs are significantly reduced. But if you want to rent land, then include its monthly rent in your cost right from the beginning. Farm construction involves the cost of pig styles, water and feed arrangements, manure and mud disposal, fencing and security. Many farmers, in the pursuit of cheap construction, initially build weak sheds which start breaking down within 2-3 years. This increases the cost of frequent repairs. If you are starting a small farm, wood and solid bamboo may work, but if you are thinking long-term, solid pigsties made of brick and cement are more beneficial. Also keep in mind that however many pigs you start with today, the number may increase in the future. If you're starting with 50 pigs, consider having a space that can comfortably house 70 or 80 pigs. Expansion through repeated demolition is costly.
Construction done with proper planning can save you thousands of rupees in the future.
So now, let us talk about the second topic of this video, and that is how to accurately estimate the cost of purchasing a pig, feeding, watering, and medication. The second major expense in pig farming is the purchase of pigs and their feed, water, and medicine. Farmer friends, the biggest mistake farmers make while buying pigs is that they buy cheap pigs. Cheap pigs may seem good initially, but later become a loss due to disease, low fertility, and slow growth. If you are starting a breeding farm, keep the right ratio of males and females. Generally, it is considered right to keep 5 to 6 females for 1 male. For example, if the price of a female pig is 15,000 rupees and the price of a male pig is 25,000 rupees, and you buy 10 females and 2 males, then the cost of buying pigs alone may be around 190,000 rupees. After this comes the cost of food and water.
Pigs need a balanced diet containing the right amounts of protein, energy, vitamins, and minerals.
If the diet is deficient, the pigs will become sick and will not gain weight. The water supply should always be clean and adequate. A pig can drink 10 to 15 liters of water daily. The cost of medicine and vaccination should also not be ignored. Regular vaccination and medication reduce disease and mortality. For example, a farm of 50 pigs may spend around 25 to 30,000 rupees annually on medicines and vaccination. If you want information on proper treatment and care, the Pig Vet Treatment Book can be of great help to you, in which the identification and treatment of diseases is explained in simple language.
So now let us talk about the third topic of this video.
And that is how to plan for labor and day-to-day operating expenses.
Now let's talk about labor and operating costs.
In small farms, the farmer himself and his family members can work together, but as the size of the farm increases, labor is required. The workers' wages, their food and accommodation, and their convenience expenses should be calculated in advance. Apart from this, expenses like electricity, water motor, cleaning, equipment repair, cow dung, and waste management are incurred every month. Many farmers ignore these small expenses, but these expenses later become a big burden. For example, a farm with 50 to 60 pigs may have operating expenses of around 10,000 to 15,000 rupees per month. This also includes cleaning equipment, feeding utensils, brushes, and other necessary items.
If you don't account for these expenses initially, the profits will remain on paper. So now let us talk about the fourth topic of this video.
And that is how to estimate profit and break-even point. Now, the most important question is, when and how much will the profit be? Farmer friends, to estimate the profit, you have to add your total initial cost and monthly expenses. After this, you have to see how many pigs you can sell every month and what will be their average selling price. Suppose your initial cost is 5 lakh rupees and monthly expenses are 50,000 rupees. If you sell 10 to 12 pigs every month at an average rate of $12,000 per pig, your monthly income will be around $120,000. After deducting the expenses, you will be left with approximately 70,000 rupees. According to this, you can withdraw your investment in 7 to 8 months.
Keep in mind that prices may fluctuate in the market.
So always keep some extra savings and keep updating your plan from time to time. If you want to understand the entire planning and calculations of pig farming in detail, then Pig Farming Training Course book can prove to be a strong guide for you. Now, let us understand this through the story of two farmers. A farmer started pig farming without proper planning. He bought cheap pigs, built a weak shed, and did not pay attention to medicine and diet. Within a few months, the pigs started falling sick. Expenses increased, and instead of profits, losses started occurring. Whereas the other farmer calculated the entire cost in the beginning itself, got a strong construction done, bought healthy pigs, and paid full attention to medicine and diet. As a result, his pigs remained healthy, sales were made on time, and he recovered his investment within a few months. This is the difference between a proper plan and working without a plan.
To watch more such videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.
And please tell us in the comments on which topic you want the video in future.